To make scrambled eggs, you'll need first a bowl, eggs, a beater, and a spatula of some sort. To get started, you'll take eggs, 2 eggs for this particular batch, and you'll have to crack them. When cracking an egg, it's always better to use a flat surface to crack the egg. That way the shell stays somewhat intact. Empty the contents of one egg, and then crack the other egg, and empty its contents as well into the bowl. Once you have both eggs into the bowl, you'll have to beat the eggs. This takes place in an amount about 15 seconds to 25 seconds. Make sure that the egg is beaten well inside of the bowl, making sure that all the egg yolk and the egg whites are mixed thoroughly. After you've mixed the eggs thoroughly, you'll add a little bit of oil or butter to a pan, just like this. And then you'll turn the pan on to medium-high to just medium-medium. When the pan heats up, you'll take your bowl of mixed eggs and pour them into the pan. As the pan heats up the egg, this might be a good time to add a little bit of salt to the egg and perhaps a little bit of pepper to the egg as well too. And my personal favorite, I always add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to top of the egg for more flavoration. Once you've added flavoration and spices to your egg, you're going to want to take the spatula and push the sides gently towards the center. Doing so will allow the runny eggs to come to the outside of the pan, hitting the pan surface and thoroughly cooking the egg through. This process should take no longer than 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. When the egg is mostly done, you'll see that there is no more runny egg. If you'd like the egg to be cooked more thorough, allow it to cook for a longer period of time. Once the egg is almost done, the pan should be hot enough to where you can turn the pan off and allow the heat to finish cooking the egg. And that's how you make scrambled eggs. Absolute goodness.